Hello, welcome to this video. Google offers a website dedicated to what is trending according to the searches people do in Google. This site is trends.google.com, well known in online marketing as Google Trends. Here is Google Trends. If you use Google Trends for another purpose, please let me know in the comments. The top part of the screen lets you check the interest over time of selected searches. For example, if I enter travel to Antarctica, you can see the interest over time into this topic. I already talked about this part in another video a few days ago. Today I want to focus on the lower part of the page. There, Google gives topics and queries related to your searched topics. This is a great source of ideas. It will give you up to 25 topics related to your search and up to 25 related searches. This is great. But if you want to use this seriously, regularly on a number of searches, checking this manually is not really an option, at least not for me. So this is why I developed a tool to automate the process. The tool is available for free on my website, thomasmore.org. To access this tool, go to thomasmore.org. I will put the link in the description, and then select Google Queries and Topics. Select up to 5 topics and press Search. After a few seconds, you will get the results. You can go through the different categories: queries rising in popularity, top queries, topics rising in popularity, and top topics. You can then go back to the top of the page by pressing Top. But the most useful, in my opinion, is the download button. It will save the data into an Excel format file with different sheets. The tool is limited to 5 searches on my website to limit the bandwidth on my server. But you can also install the tool on your own machine, and you can then search for many more topics in one time. I will explain to you now how. This is pretty simple. First, connect to GitHub with the link in the description. Then, download the code by clicking Code and then Download Zip. Open the zip. Select the directory that is inside the zip, copy it, and paste the directory somewhere on your computer. For example, I choose my desktop and then Test. I then paste the new directory in the select location. The next step is to get this new program to run on your machine. For this, we need to install a few prerequisites and then launch the application. Main requirement is Python. If you do not have Python on your machine, follow the instruction that I will give in the description below. Then open the command prompt, go to the directory in which you copied the tool, check your version of Python by typing Python --version. The version should be equal or higher than 3.6. If the version is lower, you should upgrade your Python install. If a system says that Python is not found, then you can try with Python and the number 3. This will apply after to all the comments. Type python-mvenv space venv. This creates what is called a virtual environment. It is not mandatory but highly recommended. A virtual environment will isolate the version of Python and libraries for the given program. Then type venv/script/activate. That should display a venv text at the beginning of the row. Now that we have Python and a virtual environment, we have to install a few libraries that the program will use. Type the pip install command as given in the description below. If you do not